5 minutes, there was nobody in here 5 minutes ago. Now the place is packed. That's why so much dropping. You see, I can find the bread. Roll like that. That'll work. Let me see. Look at these rolls. I got the one I look like has less grease on it. There's the butter in there too. There we go. Weigh it up. Hold on. I'm going to shut it down. Make it open up again. What do you think? How much? We'll soon find out. Want to weigh this out for me?
You want to stay here, right?
Yeah, I can eat it.
You want to add to the bill?
Huh?
Add to the bill?
What do you mean?
You want to add to the...
I just want this. That's it. I don't have nothing else.
I know, but you want this. You want...
She's gonna have her own meal. Yeah, I'm gonna pay for my own now. Yeah.
I wasn't sure that what it was.
Sausage and piece of bread. I'm not hungry. I might get a drink.
Can I get it? Yes.
We got great drinks here. Check it out. I don't know why it's coming out blurry, but really good.